Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. So I'm going to show you how the simple risk manager AI created works. So first things first, you need to download it or upload it into your MT5, and then you need to allow algo trading. Then you go to inputs. On inputs, you need to customize your inputs according to your strategy and according to your liking. So as you can see here, adding the stop loss, the take profit, the trail, where the trailing stop loss should start at or be activated at, and then the trail step in points, that is after how many pips should the trail go up, or down, down like that. And then if this here should use the percentage of account balance, and then the risk percentage in you use up in the one you've selected above. And then finally, if the EA should manage the trades that already exist even without before the EA has been activated on the account. I hope up to that makes sense. And then again, I need you to allow algo trading. Allow algo trading. Once you say okay, it will show up here, simple risk manager, and then you need to allow algo trading if it was not connected before. Okay. So in the next step, I'd like to show you how the trades work. So in this case, I've entered a sell of 15 pips, 15 lots. So as you can see, I know this one is gonna lose. So you can see the stop loss and the TP have been automatically placed. In this case, I had set 30 pips in stop loss and 350 pips in TP. So the most important thing I want you guys to see is how the trailing stop loss work. Okay, so this one is gonna be a loss. Let it go. Okay, I'm gonna enter another trade. I hope this one is gonna be a win, so that you can see the TP being the trailing stop loss being activated. So which is the most important, one of the most important things. So let's see about that. Okay, we can see it's okay. It's almost getting activated, and it has been activated. Okay, and it has the trade has ended. So yeah, that's how it works. And if you want this EA, just use it confidently. You can test it and use it on demo, and then you get it for yourself if you see that it is helpful for you. But for me, it has really helped me in managing my trades. Okay, that's it guys. See you in the next video. Bye.